Are you having problems with your Netflix lagging and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Netflix app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just opened up the settings app on my phone instead, and then what I did on this page is that I scrolled down and then I clicked on general, as you can see. So I clicked on general in here, and then I scrolled down a little bit again and I clicked on storage. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this, which is perfect. So on this page, we're just going to wait for it to completely load right here. Then swipe up like this until you can see the search bar in the top, as you can see, and click on the search bar. Search for Netflix in here and click on the Netflix app. And what you're going to do on this page is to just click on Offload App. And once again, click on Offload App. We're just going to wait and then you're going to click on the blue button here again. And we're just going to wait for our Netflix app now to completely update to the absolute latest version. Because what will happen then is that when you get the absolute latest version of your Netflix app, it's going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous version, which is very, very good. And basically what I did myself, I waited for it to completely load in here, then I went back into the app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.